what I'm going to be optimistic about today. It wasn't that bad of a day. Yes, it was cloudy out, but it wasn't all that wet, and temperatures are still well into the 70s. Let's go to our rainfall totals here through 5 o'clock. Fortescue had the highest amount, just over 1/4 of an inch, but otherwise we were on the later side, and in Atlantic City we saw nothing, and for some of you along the shore, you also saw nothing today. Now, part of the reason for this rain, though, was because we have very sticky air in the atmosphere. We have a very soupy tropical air mass in place that will continue into tonight, and we'll get to oppressive numbers with our dew points tomorrow. Will be around 75 degrees. That could be our stickiest day for the rest of 2020 before we slide down, especially as we go into our Friday evening. Here's a look at our rainfall for tonight. Some scattered areas of showers, and that'll continue into the overnight hours as well. Most of the activity stays to our north and to our south. We could pick up upwards of 1/10 of an inch in most spots. It will be a sticky, steamy, muggy night here. A good night for the air conditioner to be on. Temperatures will be in the low 70s. And as we go into Thursday, notice this line of what probably will be thunderstorms here around 8 a.m. And it will be along the Turnpike corridor where we do see the majority of the rainfall, and there is a flash flood watch in effect for Salem County, getting into Camden, Gloucester, Burlington, and places further to the north here. This will continue into the afternoon hours. We will see rain, but it won't be a washout for us here. It will even continue into the evening, and in fact, we still will see a lingering shower or storm if you're in Cape May County until the mid-morning hours on Friday. Some areas elsewhere will be dry before dawn here. Let's take a look at our rainfall totals for Thursday. Could we see 2.9 in Stowe Creek? We could, but it could also be in Hamilton. It could also be in Philadelphia or places further to the west. The point is, the further west you are, the higher the totals you will see along the shore. More rain than today, yes, but still not really a washout. And I do think you do have some beach time, as long as you're okay with it being mostly cloudy and just kind of a soupy, gross kind of day here. Let's take a look at our daytime planner. Again, beach and pool time. You will have some issues cutting your lawn, okay, as well. Just make sure you're cutting it when the lawn isn't too wet. Otherwise, outdoor exercise is looking good. Now, this rain that we're seeing is actually from a front that's attached to a low pressure system that will be moving into North Carolina and could become a tropical storm, although it's a low threat, by tomorrow night. Otherwise, as we go further east, way east, out to Africa here, we have a tropical wave that has a high chance of becoming a named storm by the time we get towards the weekend here. That would be Sally, the one in North Carolina, if it becomes that, or even Teddy if the one in North Carolina becomes Sally, and then we see that one in Africa turn into a tropical storm as well. Either way, we're going to continue our record-breaking pace to hurricane season, it does look like here. Here's our mainland 7-day forecast. Early clouds on Friday. Yes, we could see a shower in Cape May County. Otherwise, we're going to be clearing out as the day goes on. And then Saturday is the best day of the weekend here. Seasonable temperatures, a good amount of sunshine, lower dew points. And then we bring back a little bit more heat and a little bit more humidity for Sunday, which will feature a cold front that passes through sometime during the PM hours. You will see 2 to 3 hours of rain from this. Could even see some damaging winds with severe weather. Don't want to say that's definitely going to happen yet, but that's in the realm of possibility. And then more seasonable air as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday. Coming up tomorrow at 6:30, we're going to talk more about this rain that happens throughout the day on Thursday and just how dry and wet it will be. You can follow me on social media for the latest, or you can always come back to our website at thepriceofac.com/weather.